Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, make sure you have the following tools handy: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. These will help you remove the old trigger and install the new one with ease. First, unplug your Dyson V10 from the charger. Safety is key when working with electrical devices. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum handle. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, gently pull the handle apart. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open slightly if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any internal components. This is a great time to clean any dust or debris that has accumulated inside the handle. A clean interior can improve the performance of your vacuum. Now, look for the trigger mechanism. It's usually held in place by a small clip or screw. If you see a clip, use the tweezers to carefully remove it without applying too much pressure. If it's a screw, use your Phillips screwdriver again to take it out. Remember, if you feel uncertain at any point, you can always reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. With the trigger now free, compare it with your new trigger to ensure they match. If everything looks good, position the new trigger where the old one was. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it hassle-free for you to get your vacuum repaired. Reattach the clip or screw that holds the trigger in place. Make sure it's secure, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can cause damage. Once the trigger is secured, it's time to reassemble the handle. Align it properly and gently press it back together. Now, take your Phillips screwdriver and reinsert the screws into the back of the handle. Make sure they are tight, but again, don't over-tighten. After securing the handle, give it a quick visual inspection to ensure everything is in place. Finally, plug in your Dyson V10 and test the new trigger. If it operates smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully changed the trigger. If you encounter any issues, remember, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front without any hidden fees. That wraps up our tutorial on changing the trigger on your Dyson V10 vacuum cleaner. This simple repair can extend the life of your device and keep it running efficiently. For any further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.